Let me show you how to reset your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 and also S11 Ultra using the recovery menu. So for example, if something has happened to your tablet and you can't get access to the settings to reset it normally, we can also do that. So first you will need to actually have a computer or laptop, and also you will have to actually take your cables that you use to charge your tablet and simply plug both cells together, so your tablet and your computer basically. Then we are going to actually force a restart on this device. So the way we are going to do is we are simply going to hold the power and volume down. Once it shuts down, we are going to jump to holding the power and the volume up. And once you see the Samsung logo, release. Okay, so let's do it. So you see, for example, let's say my tablet is locked with security and I can't gain access to it. So you see, I'm going to hold the power and volume down. Keep holding till it shuts down. Maybe it takes like 10 seconds. Let's see. Okay, so you see the power and volume up now. And once you see the Samsung logo, release. So again, on the Samsung logo, release, and you see it booted us in this special menu. So we have various options here. So using the volume buttons, so we're going to cycle down to the wipe date factory reset. Also pay attention to this. Basically, if you are doing this to reset your security stuff, once you actually do this in one of those steps, it will actually ask to log in your Google account that you had on this tablet. So again, you have to know your Google account that you had on this tablet, otherwise, you can't do that. So then simply select this with the power button. Okay, and you'll see option here in English to basically navigate down. So again, with the volume button and confirm basically. So mine is in Hong Kong, so version, it's not in English, but you'll see most likely the English here. So again, once you click that, select that, basically everything will get wiped from your tablet essentially. And so if you do not want to do it, you can also exit this thing here as well. So again, I'm going to simply reboot as I do not need it. Okay, good luck.